Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that CyberLeek token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, CyberLeek is a Solana token whose price is currently driven almost entirely by attention around alleged leaks, not by established project fraudulence. The latest catalyst was a removed gas leak clip on August 24, but the token has since cooled sharply from the initial spike. The previously mentioned take two subphenomena claim is not verified by source available here. CyberLeak token total supply is 729.98 million and circulating supply is also 729.98 million CyberLeak token. CyberLeak token is listed on LBank, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.